Hello and welcome to Cambridge Aspire. In this short video, we are going to go over all of the different ways that you can use the citation function. The first way is to simply click on Export Citation from the search menu. As you can see, the pop-up will appear and you can select from the drop-down whichever referencing format that you require, and that citation will appear in the box. You can then copy to clipboard or download one of the various citation tools. As you can see, that pops up here. The second way that you can do this is by clicking on the book itself. On the book landing page, if you scroll down, you can click Cite, which appears here, and the same pop-up will appear where you can again copy to clipboard or download from the citation tools. And finally, if you would like to cite multiple books, then from the search menu you can select by clicking these boxes next to the books, and then scroll down to the bottom of the left-hand toolbar and select Export Citations. Now you can see all three citations have appeared in the box, and again you can use the drop-down menu to select a different referencing format, copy to clipboard, or download from the citation tools.